This how-to video is going to go over how to restore databases from that where you have a zip file of databases or the actual single backup database file that you've got inside the system by doing export, or it could be from a VersaCall tech which is telling you here's your databases, just restore these to your system or to make those changes go through. So essentially from here we're going to the core software. We want to be in Control Center under Administration. So select that here, go through Administration Control Center. We're going to be going to Databases, and we're basically going to use this import. So we're going to import. It's going to ask us what we want to do. So it's going to do is overwrite your existing database, and then you're going to select which database it is that you're trying to restore. So we'll select that, then you're going to your choose file. This is obviously going to bring you to your Windows browser. So where you want to go is wherever you have your SQL backups set up at. So I have a folder right here, SQL backups. This is my exported database from my system as the zip file. I've already unzipped it. Select that. Here's all my databases inside here. So I just select that, the advanced monitoring and scheduling one, because that's the one I've selected. You double click, advanced monitoring, hit import. It's going to make sure you want to do that. Select OK. Now it's going to rewrite over the database. That shows database is imported. And then do the same thing with any of these. So right, select the next one that you have, whichever one in your list. Hit your import. You want to do the VT3000 administration. Hit choose file. Your VT3000 administration database right here. Double click. Hit import. OK. Now that database is import. Just do the same thing for each database that you need to import into your system. That'll conclude this video on how to import databases. Look forward to talking to you again.